Hi, my name is Tony. I am from Illinois. I'm sorry for my English. It's not my first language. I am from Cuba, so I bought this truck. This is a 2010 Nissan Titan Pro 4X. I bought this truck 12 years ago. I bought not new. It was used with a few thousand miles on it. So I take care of this truck, no rust, nothing. And thing I do to this truck, I did the light bar. I bought this light bar on internet. I don't remember the website. I installed four HID light. This is very bright. So I got also. I installed 4 years ago the Fabtech 6-inch. I removed the piston. I had the piston with the block, the 6-inch, and I installed the struts. This is the rough country 6-inch, and also I installed a leveling key on top, 1.5. So the total is 7.5 lift kit. Also, I bought around 4 or 5 years ago Ballistic Rims. This is 22 by 12, and the tire open country, and this is the RT 35 12.5 22. When I install this tire, I have to cut a lot here, a lot. Yeah, I cut it and I cover with this plastic thing. So yeah, I install also cooler intake. This is the key end cooler intake. I got also the Optima Battery. This is the yellow top, really good. This is my second one. The first one lasts around 8 years, so this is my second one. You can see the date, 2020. Yeah, 10 years. Last the other one. Yeah. Sorry. What else? I installed the running board. This is the original Nissan. I bought in the dealership. I also installed this. This is also original. I bought in the dealer also. I installed window tints. This is 5% on the rear, 20 on the front. 20, no, it's more. Maybe it's 15 in the front. I installed this cover, the bed cover. This is Century brand. Yeah. I also installed 10 years ago the magnaflow catalytic back. The rear, I got the Fabtech and I installed 5-inch block in the rear. So yeah. What else? If I remember, oh yeah, the upper control arm, rough country, really good. The lower is a mock, I believe. Yeah, I installed also the hubs are Timken. I installed a new one. Also I installed a town mirror inside. I got the arm here, sticker arm. this. Sorry. Sorry. My God. African lift. Space is kicker also. I got Pioneer radio. Also the speaker. I installed new speaker, but I don't remember the brand. I believe it's Pioneer also. I don't remember. This is Pioneer. Really nice radio. What else? Inside I didn't do that much. So yes, I say that's it. Oh, I'm painting in black. This painting in black, yeah. Oh, also I installed the I don't know if you can see there the spacer, for the dry shaft. The spacer for the dry shaft. This is a PRG. Yeah. So yes, I believe that's it. Thank you so much, and I see you next time. Bye. One more thing I forgot. I installed the Z36, the pad, the rotor, front and rear. And they improved the braking a lot. Really good. Also I got this the tail light. I tint the tail light. The lights are LED. All the truck has a LED light. The front also LED. Also here in the bottom LED. Everything is LED.